Hey everyone, welcome back to Project Rainy Day. Today, all I'm really gonna do is, I got this thing printed up a while back, and it's just the back half for the chassis, little tube section. That way I can remove my little mock-up stuff I got going on here. And from there I can take some measurements and figure out exactly where the cage needs to be. But I guess first thing I need to do is remove all the support material, because I don't really remember what it looks like. It's been a while since I signed this and printed this. Here it is, and needs a little bit more cleanup, but not much. It's going to be sanded and painted probably anyways, but I guess I just need to go ahead and install this. Hopefully it fits, and see how it looks. Well, here it is, all mounted up, and it wasn't perfect. I had to do a tiny bit of trimming right in here, but sure, it'll be fine. This is the look I was pretty much going for, though, where it's like hacked off looking, and now be able to get the measurements that I need. Because what I'm going to try to do, I have a cage that bolts in the stock cage location and bring it down to mount into the shock towers. And I've already got a file that I've been working on. Pretty much I could just take my final measurements now, do a little bit of work to the file, and I'm assuming it's probably going to be like a 10 or 12 hour, maybe a 15 hour print. I don't know, I haven't tried slicing it yet, but yeah, it'll probably be a long print. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and start working on that, print it up, and I'll be back when I'm done with that and get this thing finished up. So, gone and done a 13+ hour print for this cage, and I already know it's not gonna work. I can see where it's off, but I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the support material. I wanna get a good look at exactly where I have to do my modifications to it to make it work. Okay, now this is what it's looking like right now, which is, you know, what I want basically, but the problem is, tighten that. The problem is the tower, the cage is supposed to mount into the shock tower, and it needs to go down more, and out more, or back more. And then a couple of the holes for the cage or bolts to the chassis are a little bit off. So I guess I'm gonna redesign it and reprint it, and I'll probably be back in another 13 hours or so. Here it is. And yeah, I'll be honest with you, this thing basically almost made me go a little bit crazy trying to print it. But yeah, as you can see now, it'll line up with one of the little holes in the shock tower. That way, basically it'll work like a hinge system when the body's bolted to it. And so I still have to figure out how to do the front. But yeah, basically this thing starting to drive me a little crazy because well, it took several tries to get the print to work, and it's normally not how things go. Typically I have don't ever really have any issues trying to print up, you know, cage work and tube type stuff, but I guess the settings on my for my supports weren't perfect, so I just went back and changed them a tiny bit. It was mainly right around this back section right here that the little X brace that kept on failing, and yeah, after changing the little settings for the supports, basically I had to make it print supports everywhere, not just over the build plate, and seemed to fix the problem. I think I might go and try to add a little bit of tubes here and there to try to strengthen it up a little bit, because I'm just not sure how strong it's going to be, and I'd like for it to be able to hold up to a little bit of abuse. But yeah, I guess that's going to be it for this one. Probably by the time I upload this, it won't be raining anymore, and I want to try to maybe get out and do some driving tomorrow, and I don't know, maybe not, maybe I'll just work on one of my RCs, who knows. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.